How to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen on your Google tab. After that, in here, simply click on Settings at the bottom. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Privacy and Security at the left side. Then scroll down in here and click on Site Settings. In Site Settings, you will find this kind of screen. Scroll down and click on Camera. After that, to allow, make sure it's in Sites at the top, which is the first option, and to disable, you can simply make the blue dot in Don't Allow, and you're good to go. This is how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.